The real dismantled the real. We are the control boys. We will control the horizontal. We will control the vertical. We occupy all dimensions of your existence. Why regulate? Should those in power influence the everyday behavior of that man over there? Why should he pick up his dog's excrement in a little bag and place it in that bin? Why should that woman in the car have to wear a seatbelt? Should it be her choice or the choice of the state? Why penalize those who use their free will to smoke and to drink alcohol? Does the banning of smoking in bus shelters impinge on the Human Rights Act of 1998? What does an unregulated reality look like? 1928, Representation of the People Act. Equal Pay Act, 1970. Sex Discrimination Act, 1975. Race Relations Act, 1976. Disability Discrimination Act, 1995. Employment Equality, open brackets, religion or belief, close brackets, regulations 2003. Employment Equality, open brackets, sexual orientation, close brackets, regulations 2003. And the Employment Equality, open brackets, age, close brackets, regulations 2006. What does a regulated society in the 21st century promise? The Terrorism Act 2000, Regulation of Investigatory Powers Act 2000, Civil Contingencies Act 2004, Serious Organised Crime and Police Act 2005, Anti-Terrorism Crime and Security Act 2001, Criminal Justice Act 2003, Prevention of Terrorism Act 2005, Terrorism Act 2006, Treaty on European Union 2007, Treaty on the Functioning of the European Union 2007, Counter-Terrorism Bill 2008, the Treaty of Lisbon 2009, Article 50, 2017. The Reality Guide will activate the next participant zone.